In today's video, I am attempting to put another Phalaenopsis orchid into a hanging basket. Yes, God! Pray for me, saints! The reason that I chose to put Nina outside is because, as you can see, honey, the media definitely needs to be changed out. When it starts to look like that, all ilky and gooky, honey, and as you can see, she has a lot of area roots coming out of the pot. That means that these roots, these new roots are like, no ma'am, Pam, I'm not going in there. So I have before me some rainwater that I am going to wet her up, get her feet wet, honey. Get those toes wet, honey, okay? So while she is soaking, like I said, I chose to put her outside because she has such a healthy flower stalk. So Phal Pals, it sucked up all of that water, honey. So I am going to try to... Oh, this moss doesn't look that bad. This is good moss. Look at God. Okay, okay. Well, since this is good moss, honey, okay, since, honey, this moss is still can get some use going on out of it, okay? Honey, I'm going to see if I can just stuff her in here, honey, without having to disturb the roots and all of the new roots. We just have to get accustomed. It's a tight fit, but okay, trying to make sure I'm not breaking any roots. Let me slow it down a little bit. Yeah. I mean, she is in here. And honey, every time I touch something, it's cracking and popping. So I'm scared to do too much, honey. But she is definitely in here. And I will give you updates on her. And I will see if I can hang her like this. But it might be too heavy. But all right, stay tuned. Just in case, honey. Stay tuned. And good evening. So, Phal Pals, this is how I am going to have her hanging outside. If you want to see how it all looks outside, honey, you will have to stay tuned to a future video of my fall setup, boo. But thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time.